Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're trying to make a sale with perpetual income using my lead gen secrets here. Now, I'm just making this video to let you guys know the results of the last day of promoting perpetual income, and I did not get any sales. So I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. When something doesn't work, it doesn't work. So, in my recommendation, don't promote perpetual income. It doesn't work. That's what I personally think. And I've tested it myself with you guys, and I've come to the conclusion that it just doesn't work. So ultimately, let me show you the products that I believe do work using my lead gen secrets. Now, if you don't know, my lead gen secrets here program in which you can sign in and do all of the things and whatnot, and basically post your post an email to hundreds and thousands of leads. As for right here, I got 322,000 here. It slowly builds up over time. I'm sorry, I'm having brain farts while I'm talking. Sorry about that. But yeah, it slowly builds up over time, and at a certain point you get so many leads. Like this last email did horrible. Look at this, 69 clicks. Terrible. So I don't know if it was just the emails that didn't work well, but these are bad numbers in general for this account. And like, let's go back here. Let me show you some statistics here to show you what I've done with other products here. You got 275 here. See, with other products, I've been at 388 right here. Like, I've done way better with other products, especially when I started paying like prices in them and like that. Okay, this one didn't do that well, but right here, this one did really well. 950 a week. Like, so that's what I do. I kind of focus on social paid and writer apps here. Let me show you the products here that work really well using this product here, especially for me anyway. Last time I tried them, they worked really well. These two products here, the reason why they're like in first or second, because people been figuring out these two products work really well using my lead gen secret. So that's what I do, guys. These two products here. Now my next test, I don't know yet. I'm leaning towards trying something of a different genre here. Maybe, you know what? Maybe we try. Let me go to it. Maybe we try just the #1 product. How about Etsy Per? Right here. Look at this gravity. This gravity is obnoxious. I never seen gravity this high. Period. Ever on this site. So I never seen it over 1,000. So anyway, let's try Etsy Per next time, guys. So yeah, that's all I want to do. I just report the results and what I would do, you know. But I want to make sure I show you guys the exact truth. Perpetual income did not work for me. All right, perpetual income did not work for me, but that's okay. Sometimes we try stuff, it doesn't work. It's gonna happen. You're gonna fail more than you're gonna succeed. But what that does is it make it so when you succeed, it feels that much better. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.